again. It's a rich thing.
Welcome back to another video, guys. So I've got my practice hand out and I'm going to recreate the Gelbox vinyl sticker, the Gelbox tutorial from the May box that I unboxed it in my last video, probably yesterday. So this is the sticker. I was going to put my own little spin on it, but I've actually stuck to it this month. So we've got the little donut charmy things there. We've got the gel polishes, the sprinkles. So we're going to start with this is the pointer finger, and we're going to start with cotton candy. So I'm just going to stick cotton candy on my palette, and this one, I can't pronounce it, I'm not even going to try, which is the darker pink. Beautiful colours, aren't they? And this pointer finger, it's kind of got what I see as like half a cross. Can you see? It's like, yeah, it's like a cross, half on, half off the nail. So I'm going to do that first in this light pink. So I'm just going to colour this part in, and then I'm going to do the little sticky out bit of the cross and stick that in the lamp for 30 seconds. Yeah, these are monthly sub boxes, guys, from Gelbox. You can buy them as one-offs. I've got a 15% discount code, and if you've not watched any of my Gelbox content before, they always come with a little tutorial like this and everything included in the box that you need to complete that tutorial. Really, really fun boxes to have delivered to your house every month. Every box is different. Yeah, I really enjoy my gel boxes. Right, so that's gone in the lamp for 30 seconds, and then the rest of the nail is going to get coloured in this colour. Right, so now onto this middle finger. This is just going to be a full nail of this colour. Is it cotton candy? This is the nail that's going to have the donut charms on it. So I'm just going to do two nice thin coats. I'll do the second coat off camera and cure each coat for 30 seconds. This is such a cute pink, isn't it? Both pinks, I love them both. Pink is my favourite colour. I am a bit biased, but they are so pretty. Right, and onto this ring finger. This is the stripy nail. So I'm going to start with the middle stripe, just so I know I've got an even amount on each side to do the other two colours. So I'm starting with the middle, which is the darker of the pink, and just kind of split that nail into three in your head. And yeah, just paint each section with the colours that it shows you on the tutorial. And I'm just giving these colours just a little flash cure for 10 seconds, just so if I make a mistake on the next one, I don't have to wipe it all off. So that's that nail done, and I decided to go matte today. So I'm using Gelbox's matte top coat. It's called Matte Me Up. Yeah, I'm glad I went with matte today. I think these looked really smart done in matte. So that's them matte top coated. I love pastel colours and these candy kind of colours done in matte. I just think they look really smart, don't they? Right, so I'm going to do these two smiley faces now. This blue is called Bubblegum Daiquiri. I'm just using quite a big dotting tool just to get the gel on there and just to get my circle the size I want it to be, and then I'm just going to use a detailer brush and just try and get it as round as I possibly can. I'm going to stick another one at the bottom of the nail as well. I did give these a double cure just because I'd put them on a little bit thick. So now I'm using Clicks, which is Gelbox's black. If you don't have Gelbox's black, you can use any black. And on the vinyl sticker tutorial, these little smiley faces, they're outlined in black, aren't they? So I'm just going to go around these smiley faces, just outline them. And then again, I'm going to use a little dotting tool, just a tiny dotting tool, and do the eyes and the mouth. So I'm going to do these drippy drips. I'm using a big dotting tool again, and I'm just putting 3 dots where I want my drips to go. And then again, using that little brush, I'm just going to pull the gel from them dots like a teardrop shape. I'm just going to pull them straight up to the top of that nail. I do end up changing this. I will show you in a minute how I ended up changing them and why. So I'm just going to colour the top part of this nail in and join them drips up. Just little arches, little arches like that. Just join all them little drips up, and I'm just going to colour the top part of this nail in now, and then I'm going to stick this in the lamp. Again, I've given that a double cure because I've put it on a little bit thick. I took another look at the sticker and noticed they weren't quite drippy drips. There was one drip down the middle, but it was more of I don't know. I've ended up, can you see, joining these drips up and making it more into, I don't know how to describe it, but I ended up changing it. I didn't want it so drippy. There was only one drip on the tutorial sticker, but I'm glad I changed it because I much preferred how this looked with the donuts at the end. So again, I'm going to give that another cure. Right, and looking at this sticker, it looks like the sprinkles have been done with the pale pink and the pale blue. So I'm just doing tiny little notches with the pale pink, pale blue, all different directions, some going up, down, diagonal, lots and lots of teeny tiny notches. I will skip most of them because, yeah, there was a lot of them. And I thought I'd keep this part glossy, and the smiley faces, I did them glossy as well. I just thought this, I don't know what you'd call it, sprinkly, creamy sprinkle drips. Yeah, I've given them a glossy top coat, and I've given the smiley faces a glossy top coat as well. So onto the pinky now, which has been done in the Sprinkles gel polish. I did initially give it a coat of this, but I just didn't think it flowed or matched because of the transparency. So I ended up wiping this off and did a coat of cotton candy, the pale pink, and then put the glitter over the top. I think it looks so much better with that pink underneath, doesn't it? It matches now and it ties in with the set. So finally, I'm giving that a matte top coat, and then I'm going to use polygel to get these little donuts stuck on. So I've pulled out a little tray of donuts. I didn't use the Mickey one. I used this pink one because it's got the blue and the red dots on it. It really matched. And I think I used the yellow and the black one. Can't remember. So I'm just putting a little blob of polygel on the top of this nail. And I'm just going to stick my donuts into that polygel. If these was on your natural nails, I would secure them a little bit more than what I did. But yeah, these are only for pictures and practice. So they're going to get cured now, and that'll be them finished. Aren't they so cute? Why does my voice go squeaky over cute stuff? Anyway, guys, look at that. I think they are bang on. I'm so glad I changed the drippy drips on that nail. I much prefer them the way they are. I much prefer them in matte. Yeah, I think they is well cute. Anyway, guys, that is it for today. I will leave links to Gelbox in my description box. My discount code and everything will be down there. Super, super fun boxes to land on your doorstep every month. They really are. Anyway, guys, please remember to give the video a quick thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already. And hopefully, I'll see you in my next one. Take care, bye.